Musa Mseleku was hospitalized a few weeks back after he was attacked by a stroke, and this is according to Hospitalised. So, let us share about that and more here on this video. But first, I want to welcome you guys to this channel, and because you've already clicked to watch this video, just finish up the process by liking this video, and most importantly, press that subscribe button if you haven't. And don't forget to scroll down this channel. Who knows, you might find another video that you might like. And all of that being said, I hope you guys will enjoy watching content here on this video. Hospitalised published news that Musa Mseleku was attacked by a stroke, and according to them, this news was shared to them by someone who claimed that she is close to the family. The source who shared this news with them stated that her first proof is that Musa Mseleku started wearing glasses now. And I'm using the pronoun her because she stated that she's close to Mangwabe and Maqele, and I cannot imagine Musa allowing his wife to be close to another man. Well, even if it's a man, then come on guys, let's just call him a she for the sake of this video. So she said that she noticed that Musa is not okay because he's currently wearing glasses, which means the stroke affected his eyesight and his face. Sad, right? You know, I also noticed this one. There is this one interview that he recently had with one of the podcasts here on YouTube. Something was different about his eyes, man. So, because of this, I cannot believe what Hospitalised is saying here. And that is not all. Hospitalised continues to say that they've been trying to reach Musa Mseleku for a while now with no luck. But the source that I said was close to Mseleku stated that after he was hospitalized, Musa Mseleku decided to stay away from journalists. She further claimed that she is close to everyone in the family. Bomangwabe, Bomaqele, I mean everyone. And she has all of them on her dial pad. Now her problem is that recently, she cannot get a hold of anyone in the family. They are all unreachable, which made sense to her and led her to realize that everyone was told not to talk, especially with the news people. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see that there is no one in the Mseleku family who has confirmed this news, meaning that they can be true or they can be false. And if that is the case, up until Musa Mseleku himself comes out to deny this news, then they remain true to me. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all that I wanted to share with you on this video. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.